Unlock the secret to captivating product photography using your Canon EOS R10, transforming everyday items into irresistible visuals. First, select the right lens for intricate details. A macro lens is invaluable, or if you prefer a standard lens, ensure it's sharp enough to capture fine textures effectively. Next, master your lighting. A focused lighting setup, like directional LED panels, or even a well-placed window, highlights key features and minimizes unwanted shadows, making your product pop. Now, adjust your aperture for desired depth of field. A wider aperture, or lower number, will give you that beautiful blurred background. Isolating your product. A narrower aperture keeps everything sharp from front to back. For unparalleled consistency and sharpness, use a tripod. This eliminates camera shake and allows for precise framing, especially important for stacking multiple images or long exposures. Pay close attention to white balance. Incorrect white balance can make your product look off-color, so choose the appropriate preset for your lighting conditions or use a custom white balance for perfect color accuracy. Finally, focus precisely on the sharpest details of your product. This is what draws the viewer's eye and makes your product truly stand out, creating an impression of quality and craftsmanship.